En la clase de hoy vamos a aprender inglés con tan solo 5 minutos al día. Puedes probar estas clases gratuitas de forma diaria y notar la progresión. El día de hoy serán 50 frases sobre un puerto. Espero lo disfrutes y practiques de forma sencilla con nosotros. El puerto está lleno de barcos. The port is full of ships. The port is full of ships. Los pescadores trabajan en el puerto. Fishermen work at the port. Fishermen work at the port. El barco llega al puerto a las 5. The ship arrives at the port at 5. The ship arrives at the port at 5. Hay un mercado cerca del puerto. There is a market near the port. There is a market near the port. El puerto es muy grande. The port is very big. The port is very big. Los turistas visitan el puerto. Tourists visit the port. Tourists visit the port. El puerto está cerrado por la noche. The port is closed at night. The port is closed at night. Hay muchos restaurantes en el puerto. There are many restaurants at the port. There are many restaurants at the port. Los barcos cargan mercancías en el puerto. Ships load goods at the port. Ships load goods at the port. El puerto es un lugar muy activo. The port is a very busy place. The port is a very busy place. Me gusta pasear por el puerto. I like to walk by the port. I like to walk by the port. El puerto tiene una vista hermosa. The port has a beautiful view. The port has a beautiful view. Los barcos de pesca están en el puerto. Fishing boats are at the port. Fishing boats are at the port. El puerto es importante para la economía. The port is important for the economy. The port is important for the economy. Hay una terminal de cruceros en el puerto. There is a cruise terminal at the port. There is a cruise terminal at the port. El puerto está siendo renovado. The port is being renovated. The port is being renovated. Los barcos de carga son enormes. Cargo ships are huge. Cargo ships are huge. El puerto está cerca del centro. The port is near the downtown. The port is near the downtown. Los pescadores venden pescado fresco. Fishermen sell fresh fish. Fishermen sell fresh fish. El puerto tiene un faro. The port has a lighthouse. The port has a lighthouse. Hay un museo marítimo en el puerto. There is a maritime museum at the port. There is a maritime museum at the port. Los contenedores se apilan en el puerto. Containers are stacked at the port. Containers are stacked at the port. Los barcos de turistas llegan al puerto. Tourist boats arrive at the port. Tourist boats arrive at the port. El puerto es un punto de comercio. The port is a trading hub. The port is a trading hub. Los barcos salen del puerto temprano. Ships leave the port early. Ships leave the port early. El puerto tiene un astillero. The port has a shipyard. The port has a shipyard. Me encanta la brisa del puerto. I love the port's breeze. I love the port's breeze. Hay tiendas de recuerdos en el puerto. There are souvenir shops at the port. There are souvenir shops at the port. Los barcos atracan en el puerto. Ships dock at the port. Ships dock at the port. El puerto es un lugar histórico. The port is a historic place. The port is a historic place. Los marineros trabajan en el puerto. Sailors work at the port. Sailors work at the port. El puerto tiene instalaciones modernas. The port has modern facilities. The port has modern facilities. El puerto es un lugar muy seguro. The port is a very safe place. The port is a very safe place. Los niños disfrutan del puerto. Children enjoy the port. Children enjoy the port. El puerto está bien iluminado. The port is well lit. The port is well lit. Hay muchas gaviotas en el puerto. There are many seagulls at the port. There are many seagulls at the port. Los barcos pesqueros regresan al puerto. Fishing boats return to the port. Fishing boats return to the port. El puerto tiene una zona de carga. The port has a loading area. The port has a loading area. Los trabajadores del puerto son fuertes. Port workers are strong. Port workers are strong. El puerto es un lugar lleno de vida. The port is a lively place. The port is a lively place. Hay un parque cerca del puerto. There is a park near the port. There is a park near the port. El puerto está protegido por la guardia. The port is guarded. The port is guarded. Me gusta ver los barcos en el puerto. I like to watch the ships at the port. I like to watch the ships at the port. Los pescadores limpian sus redes. Fishermen clean their nets. Fishermen clean their nets. El puerto es accesible para todos. The port is accessible to everyone. The port is accessible to everyone. Los barcos navegan hacia el puerto. Ships sail to the port. Ships sail to the port. El puerto tiene un centro de visitantes. The port has a visitor center. The port has a visitor center. Hay bancos para sentarse en el puerto. There are benches at the port. There are benches at the port. El puerto es un lugar tranquilo. The port is a peaceful place. The port is a peaceful place. Si has llegado al final del video, te doy las gracias. Puedes comentar qué clase nueva te gustaría ver en nuestro canal y darnos consejos para seguir mejorando. Recuerda compartir el video para que tus amigos o familiares también aprendan a hablar en inglés de forma sencilla con nosotros. Suscríbete para más videos. Juntos vamos a aprender inglés.